Leather Art by Lisa here. I'm going to show you a few hacks how you can trace out the cardstock templates that are in my leather flower making kit that are going to blow you away. I cannot believe I didn't think of this before. If you try any of these, let me know in the comments which is your favorite. So I have a bunch of leather here, China pencils, white charcoal pencils, which I got right here. One of these rolly things, these leather things, some water, and I have my iron ready to go. I'm just going to take one of the cardstock templates and just spray the leather a little bit. Put it on top. Get your iron. And look. It outlined it. Let's try it again. All right, I have my iron on and it's set to wool. I have a cardstock template. I'm going to spray the leather a little bit. Lay it on the template. Just iron it. Oops. And look. Can you see? And then we can go and cut that out. See, one part didn't get really good. There we go. That's much better. On my cutting board.
I like these little cutting boards that I picked up on Amazon. They're small enough for smaller projects like this. And then when I'm trying to cut something such as these leather flower petals, all I have to do is just pivot the board as I am cutting around each petal.
There's one. All right. So another idea. I love these two pencils. I use the charcoal one a lot. One's a China, one's a charcoal. So the charcoal one, I usually just wet it a little bit. The tip in. And you probably see me use these before. Let's see. China. Oops. Works without wetting. There you go. I like the China. Now again, you can use a sharp blade to cut or your scissors. And this comes right off, and I'll show you. The charcoal comes off much easier than the China, but they both come off. And if you remember in my videos, I always say you can always just trim off any thing that's showing. All right, so there's two. And you have it right there. I think this one I would use the scissors. I think my favorite is going to be this one. Look at that. Yeah, that is my favorite. There. You can get the knife or the scissors, whatever you want. Oh, I forgot. There's one more. Silly me. Okay, there's the dots, which you can see, definitely. We have pencils, roller, that thingy, the water, and the iron. I know which one my favorites are. China pencil, water, and steam. Now that we've tested all these hacks out and I've shared with you my top 2, you try them and you let me know in the comments which ones you prefer to use. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.